Well, as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm gonna talk about the mastery of ourselves, especially the NPC mastery that we will gonna be need to survive in this world. Well, what is NPC mastery? Well, as you can see, the acronym NPC stands for non-player characters. Well, it just means the dialogue that uh, that we use every day is kind of we repeat uh, things that we say every day, and we got used to um, saying it to speed conversations and um, to pass time very efficiently. So you will not need anymore to talk and ask questions. Sorry, and ask questions very deeply and waste time. So that's it for mastering the NPC uh, uh, conversations. You just gotta don't talk too deeply. Just close conversation. Uh, I mean, you just put yes or no. So no other questions aside from the answer yes or no. And why should we do that? Well, we should do that when especially we are on public area because the world is a dangerous place and we really need to safeguard ourselves against all kinds of attention and distraction, right? So that's it. We really need to use the NPC skill of ourselves, especially especially if we or you are in a what you call it abusive and manipulative relatives, family or friends, right? You gotta don't talk too deeply. Don't waste your time. Instead of thoughtful talk, you just nod and leave. So, so I think that is for the um, developing your NPC mastery, especially in conversation. And the other part of being a NPC is yeah, this what I said on the past videos. I said being simply happy and simple sad. So you can be in a neutral position of things. So you can be flexible. You can be on guard on times. You don't let your guard down. Just letting your guard down is just like giving your money, your food for the day, and you'll become hungry because you give your food. You don't you let your guard down. So that's it for the NPC mastery, right? Becoming simple happy, then sad. So you realize that you need to become neutral around the people that you are not sure what they're gonna do to you or what they are gonna talk about, especially if you feel uncomfortable in a public area. There's a lot of chances that people will visit uh, even if your local area, people are visiting your local area for something that they have intention are not just good, they can be bad as well, especially if the visitors are from somewhere else. Uh, that's um, that's why I think that you should be really careful. Again, if you are in a abusive or manipulative environment, family, friends, or relatives, you should consider uh, using and developing your NPC mastery skills for when that time comes. You should just not leave or yes or no. So as a recall to the places, NPC is for the public area and for the abusive and manipulative environment. So we're gonna go to the middle side of things, the business mastery. So if NPC mastery is talking about the simple happiness, simple sadness, positive one, and negative one side of things, I guess I could say that business mastery is being negotiable, being calm, but not giving too many hints, right? So in a scale of x-axis or Cartesian plane, I would put it in positive 3 and negative negative 3. Yeah. In terms of 1 to 5, I would put it positive 3 and negative 3. Oh. What I mean by this is you should still consider yourself a little bit, uh, and also the people around you, something special that they can give to you and something special that you can give to them. So in a way, business is done at closed doors. You don't do really business in just open doors. So this kind of a thing is done in private area, not public area. So for NPC, you have public area, and for business matters, you have the private area. So you gotta use and develop these business mastery skills. Uh, it it may not be useful in this life if you don't have business, but again, learnings are very essential, especially when we got out of this body or this realm that we don't have anything control with. And maybe next life or next universe, we will have a given a choice, but by the moment that is very special. Moments are very special. So if we have that moment to create our own and be magical and enjoy ourselves, then that will be good. So in the business area, again, it is done in closed doors, in a private area, and why should you do this? Because there will be a unseen value within you and both within other you, your other self, the other people. There is a hidden value, there is a hidden enjoyment, a moment. As I said, a moment is the very bottom of the multiverse, universe, timeline, nine timeline, and genuine experience. And the bottom of that is your moments, your enjoyment of the experiences, right? So that's cover up your sanity. That is why business is thriving everywhere, right? You gotta enjoy exchanging enjoyment for yourself and for the others. So now that we learn about NPC mastery and business mastery, we can now move on to the MC mastery. So MC mastery, excuse me, I have a throat. I just take the salt so I can uh, kind of have a problem with what do you call to this? Yeah, with my sense of taste. I don't know. But anyway, let's move on to the MC mastery. So for MC mastery, um, MC means main character. So what this means is if we already know what is NPC mastery to business mastery, then we should know what is MC mastery. This is the combination of NPC mastery and business mastery. So MC mastery refers to yourself. You think yourself, you are the center of the stage. You are the center of the world, the universe, the multiverse. Yeah, you can do everything, anything you want. So uh, by this means, when we should do it everywhere when we feel it. When we feel safe, when we feel comfortable. That's why it's important to be a rich, to be not worrying anymore anything, and you can do anything. You can bypass the law. You can uh, what do you call to this? You can do evil things in a way that you will be safe, right? But I'm not suggesting evil things. It's just that uh, enjoyment of ourselves or the MC masteries uh, is really the priority of everything, right? That's why we exist. What I mean by this is, if you're gonna exist in a short period of time, like 100 years old, and there is an infinity of years, and maybe you don't have 100 years old, and your memory will just be wiped out and transferred to a new body. Why not take the chance to enjoy yourselves, to be a main character of the whole quality of existence, right? So so why you should do it? That's why you should do it. uh, but you should still understand that, yeah, it might backfire. That is because all things have backfireness. So in scale of happiness and sadness in MC Mastery, out of 1, out of 5, I will rate it plus 5 minus 5, above and decrease, plus, yeah, plus 5 minus 5, and so on. So NPC is positive 1 and negative 1. Business is positive 3, negative 3, and MC is positive 5 plus and negative 5 minus, and so on. So in that realization, we should think that being an MC, feeling that elated enjoyment of things is very important. But if you are a very considerable person, then you would think about your situation first before you become MC. Uh, you don't want to let your guard down, and instead of positive 5, it backfires to you and it negative 5. You don't know your existence yet. If you're born poor, then you can't be MC. I- Sometimes many poor that are got lucky, and they become famous, or they do the hard work and they attain the thing that they want, right? So some people, yeah, luck is very important. Luck and patience. So in order for you to become a MC, So, in a way that to be effective, right? If you are considerate, you should build yourself up first, then your community, then your field, and then your super secret base or hideout, right? So you're an MC, you have a enjoyment and master plan and back up upon back up, right? So you have everything. You are abundance. You have that one thing, and that you will make you feel everything. So that's it for that's it for being a MC, right? Even if you're poor, you're not rich, you're poor, you can be an MC inside your room, or you make a platform channel. There's many platforms nowadays. You can make one and focus all of yourselves, because uh, regardless of people that will be interested, or there will be none, it will be important learnings towards the infinity of our existence, because that's it for the cycle, right? Being exists, not exist, and exist again. So I think that's why we exist, right? To be a MC, but still we gotta use the following levels, right? NPC mastery, business mastery, and MC mastery. We gotta still use these uh, three three keys to safeguard ourselves. So MC mastery is being used both in public and private area, but especially in private area. This is very enjoyable. That's why I said you can, if you're not rich and you're poor, you can be a MC inside your room. So many people are MC inside their room. They decorate their room, they clean their room, they uh, they have master ritual inside their room. They do those things that they want and they enjoy, or whatever. Some people enjoy pain inside their room. They doing exercise, they doing impossible things, right? So that's why abundance is not only pleasure, it's also pain. Some people love pain, addicted to pain, just like in pleasure. We cannot blame them, but uh, change is constant, time is constant. So you will change, I guess, these interview questions of 5 to 10 years. Yeah, the shelling of a people on earth is about to 5 to 10 years. You can change a person, and a person changes within 5 years to 10 years. There will be a variables. Yeah. So back to the NPC mastery, I guess. So I will divide the uses of this. Yeah, if ever I will use these three masteries, I will favor with uh, 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. The NPC mastery. You will always use this in this world to talk about uh, to talk like scripted to people. You don't need to talk deeply to many people, right? You just need to operate your business side of things to them. mm, Maybe in a manageable way. You're managing your ordering of food. That is the super basic. You talk to the counter, or you order your food, you wait for the food to be ready, ready to eat. So, and you buy things, yeah. That's one of example that we should usually do. So if we're gonna use the NPC mastery, it's in many hours of our lives every day. We are gonna use it. Uh, so I guess I would rate it 4 out of 10. So we have now six points to use for the last two. So, yeah. So if I'm gonna rate with 6 points left in business mastery, I will say 3. Yeah, 3 out of 10. You will use this less than the NPC mastery because business meetings or business negotiation is only for 1 to 2 hours, but I think the longest one is 4 hours if you have a party or something like hidden stuff going on, because you got really prepared and you got rest afterward, right? Business talks are somehow somewhat too deep, but yeah, it's just a matter of careful balance on what you will give, what will you bait, and what will you receive. Yeah, it's just a matter of you and the thing and the other self, the other people. So that's it for the business mastery. Less than NPC mastery, which is 4. The business is 3. And for the MC mastery, I think the the points that are left is 3 as well. Yeah, it's the same as business mastery. So MC mastery is the same as in points of business mastery because you can't use this all the time. What I mean that you can't use this all the time is you're not super rich. Yeah, you gotta need to be super rich to use main character syndrome every day, all night. Uh, what I mean by this, there's a movie, yeah, The Dictator. Yeah, The Dictator movie. It's a old movie. I just remember now. So the yeah, it's a comedy, but the protagonist was an MC all day, all night until the day that comes that he's not the MC anymore. Because he got ejected and betrayed by his companions and etc. So being an MC all day, all night is only for the super rich and for the super god. There's a lot of anime, or I don't read much manga or manhwa, but there's some on YouTube, right? There's a lot of people who make those things to earn for living. I guess it's a good niche to do so. But um, back to being MC, you can't be always an MC because you gotta safeguard yourself. If you are sure that you are super rich or super god, then you do it. If you're confidence enough, even if you're poor, super poor, you just do it. The moments, the experience, the novelty will carry you. uh, Regardless of good and bad. That's what good in the movies Joker, right? They don't care uh, whatever the results. The enjoyment of the thing is the the most important in their experiences. Thinking is the enemy, right? That's why you don't need even to think if you want it to be the main character of everything in the show. What the hell are we really here for in the universe? If you're minusing yourselves to whatever distractions people throw at you. Make your own distractions. You're the MC. You're the most supreme demon lord, etc. Super god. No, just rambling. That's why we're talking about this because it's so funny that uh, we classify ourselves into NPC and MC nowadays. Uh, but no one talks about kind of developing and having the resolutions for ourselves to make. So maybe these kind of masteries are not useful in someone's life here in this universe, but uh, if you ever catch this video and you realize that if the universe is infinite, there must be an escape to the other universe, that we can create our own universe. So if that thing still exists, if that moment is just waiting for us, as I said, it's just lack and patience. Not in this life. Maybe in this life, for some, uh, if ever that moment comes to us and we still have our learnings intact, uh, learnings, maybe just a memories or an upload, right? If ever that those moments, then we can use all of our learnings. That's why I'm living this to master myself as well, because uh, experience points. If you play a video games, yeah, there's kind of experience points. I think it becomes shortcuts, yeah, yeah to the downsizing of the knowledges. Yeah, if you have a 10 gig of games that can be downsized and from console to mobile, just like the emulators. Yeah, there's an emulator now that you can play uh, PlayStation 1, 2 games, right? And that's very good. It's not gonna take 10 gig for 10 for one games. I think some games just get 2 to 4 gig of the 10 gig from console, right? Uh, so downsizing the storage, I think that's very good for our learnings. But the experience points is helping us to get what we want in life. That's why uh, I wish you all guys that uh, you master yourself. Yeah, that's why uh, having a NPC mastery, business mastery, and MC mastery is very good for all of us. I think we should consider every time that we talk to people, uh, read people first before you read the environment. If you read the environment and you read the people, then you're not gonna be wrong most of the time. It's just like playing games, right? In games, uh, you play your target, you play your environment, and you play yourself for fun. It's just like, yeah, really life is a video game, so you gotta do these three things. But most of the time, you gotta do a patience of NPC mastery. You gotta. This is the most uh, yeah, this is the most used skills, especially those performing in the stage, performing campaigning, politicians, etc. They master these things. So that's it. You can be an MC mastery, a mastermind of all things. So I guess that's it for Today, um, I wish you all a happy conversation, whether NPC mastery, business mastery, or MC mastery. You use and develop those skills so you can be comfortable with your life. And when you're comfortable, you have peace and happiness. I wish you all a abundance uh, everything day. That's all. Thank you all for watching.